When you send crypto using Binance Pay, you don't get charged a dime for doing so, and there are two ways to go about it. First, you can go to the Finance tab and select Binance Pay from the drop-down menu. After that, you can select the Send option. The second method is to use the Wallet tab and select Funding Wallet. You will then need to select the Send option and you'll be directed to a similar page as the first method. You'll be presented with 4 options you can use to send crypto: email, phone, Pay ID, and Binance ID. Of course, any option you use will need to belong to the recipient. The email and phone are pretty straightforward. They need to be the ones used to open and verify the account. The Pay ID is displayed under your username when you use the first method, while the Binance ID is located in the user profile dashboard that you access by navigating to your profile icon in the menu bar. In this tutorial, we'll use the recipient's Pay ID and click Continue. You'll need to select the currency and the amount, so we'll be sending BUSD worth $10. You can leave the recipient a note, a step which is optional, and then select Continue. On the next page, there will be a summary of the currency, amount, who you're sending to, and the payment method. You can change the payment method and use either Funding Wallet or Spot Wallet. With the currency, only those that have a balance in your wallet will be displayed. You'll click Confirm after double-checking the details, and you'll be required to input your Pay PIN, which you set up when you're initially accessing your Binance Pay account. And that's how you send crypto at zero fees with Binance Pay. Learn how to turn your crypto to fiat currency through this video on the screen.